Hey, how are you guys? This is Ray Chen again. So today we're gonna talk about two programs that can help you with the mortgage if you are having trouble paying your mortgage. So depending on who backed your mortgage, there's a federal program and then there is a state program. For the federal program, it's called a HAFA. So if your mortgage is backed by Freddie Mac and Fannie Mae, and then the program is basically means a home affordable foreclosure alternatives program. So this you can contact this agency to help you with the mortgage if you are having problem to repay the mortgage. And another program is if your loan is backed by the California by the California Housing and Finance Agencies, then the CalFA, Cal HFA may be able to help you to solve your problem. So other than those two government programs, there is a couple ways that you can avoid mortgage problem. One way is forbearance. So basically what that means is you put your mortgage payment on hold. So for example, if you lost your job or if you're sick, you cannot, you temporarily lost your ability to generate income, then you can talk to the bank to apply for forbearance. That's one option. So another option is loan modification. So basically, let's say if your monthly mortgage right now is 3,000, payment is 3,000, so maybe you can talk to the bank to lower the mortgage payment. Just make sure after you lower you still have the ability to pay the payment after the modification. So another way is a deed in lieu of foreclosure. This one is basically means you turn your deed to the bank. But as I want to say a disclaimer, my name is Ray Chen. I'm a real estate broker and from Your Home Sold Guarantee Realty. I'm not a lawyer, so this is just for information purpose. So if you need to do any of this, you still need to talk to a lawyer. But however, let me finish this one first. So if you want to do any of those in a forbearance, loan modification, or deed in lieu of foreclosure, it's not easy, right? You have to jump through a lot of hoops to get the bank to us to do what you want them to do, right? So we all know when you work with the bank, it's a big corporation. It's very kind of bureaucratic, right? It takes a long time, takes a lot of effort. So when you do want to get into the process, there's a whole bunch of paperwork banks want to get from you. Let me just put my speaker in front. It's probably have a better recording. So some of the paperwork that the bank will get from you, letter explaining your situation, monthly expenses, and the recent pay stub, list of other source of income, and tax return from last 2 years, bank statement, and also your property insurance policy. So this is some of the things you can do to avoid foreclosure. But we have a very good alternative to help you if you are in this situation where you cannot pay for your mortgage. It's a much better solution than selling it out there to all this I buy your ugly house companies and all those instant offer companies, iBuyer companies, for example, Zillow, Open Door, OfferPad. For the problem with those companies is that the offer, the price they give it to you is usually a very low price, right? And on top of that, they will also charge you a hefty service fee, although they say there's no commission. But in many cases, the service fee is actually higher than the commission. So with our Your Home Sold Guarantee Realty program, you basically get the upside of both options. So meaning that we will help you to sell your home, and if it's not sold, then we'll buy it, right? And so what it does is give you an opportunity to put your home on the on the open market, right? So what we do is we're basically a marketing company, and our goal is to help you to get your home sold within the first 1 or 2 weeks. And our ultimate goal is to generate multiple offer for you. That's what we do best, right? So you can see that because we put your home out there in the general market, and we're able to get multiple a lot of interest, right? Usually we have a tour of home. Normally it lasts for half an hour to 1 hour. Usually we get anywhere from 50 to 150, sometimes 200 people come. So usually let's say we'll set a deadline for the due date for the offer. Usually we'll be able to generate multiple offers, and because we have multiple offers, and then we can get your home so quickly, and sometimes without the contingencies. And just say if it doesn't get sold, then we have options to buy. So yeah, so you can see that it give you both option, and it also able to help you to close quickly. So we can close in as little as 7 days. So yeah. So if you have any questions, let me know. If you have any trouble, give me a call. We can help you. There is always a way, right? So I know just people get into situation. There's been times that I couldn't even pay for my mortgage before, right? So everybody get into a bad situation sometimes in life, right? So give me a call if you need help. If you want to check out some options. My name is Ray Chen from Your Home So Guarantee Realty. My number is 626-789-5768. Okay, I'll talk to you guys next time.